Not being able to detect emotional burnouts can lead you to some desperate situations, some health issues that you cannot even tell how you got to that place. So it's very important to detect burnout early, whether emotional or physical burnout. It's very, very important that you detect that because it's going to help you to know what to do to begin the process of healing and recovery as soon and as quick as possible. In this video, I'll be sharing the 5 signs of emotional burnout and how to recover your energy and get back yourself. The first one is decreased productivity. Whenever you begin to notice that you are having a decreased productivity, like you are no longer productive as you used to be before, that is a very good sign that you are having emotional burnout because sometimes when you work so hard, you could be having less energy to give your best to your work. You can't possibly give out more when you are emotionally drained. Number two is physical symptoms such as headache, sleep disorder, muscle tensions. You are just not fine. Like you are not fine as you used to be before. You begin to see some symptoms that were not there before. Sometimes it could be stomach upset. Your muscles are combating itself. So you just pains all over your body. Number three is lack of satisfaction. You begin to experience lack of satisfaction and fulfillment despite your efforts and the things you value so much before. That is a sign of emotional burnout, and you might need to take it easy with yourself so that you won't break down completely. Number four is when you feel exhausted, like you are so exhausted physically and emotionally. You just feel exhausted. You want to do something, but inside of you, you are weak, you are tired, you don't know how to do it, you don't know where to begin from. You are just tired, and your bones are tired, your body is tired, you're just exhausted. So check yourself. If you're physically exhausted and emotionally within you, you are also exhausted. That is a sign, a very good sign of burnout. And number five, finally, detachment. When you begin to detach yourself from work, from relationships, from activities you once enjoyed before, of course, that's a sign of emotional burnout. Recognizing these signs is your first step towards healing and recovery, and it's very important that you pay good attention to these signs. Not being able to detect emotional burnouts can lead you to some desperate situations, some health issues that you cannot even tell how you got to that place. So it's very important to detect burnout early, whether emotional or physical burnout. It's very, very important that you detect that because it's going to help you to know what to do to begin the process of healing and recovery as soon and as quick as possible. So number one step to getting yourself and getting your energy back is that you have to prioritize self-care. There are many ways you can care for yourself. You take care of the food you eat, take care of your body, take enough rest, take enough sleep. Just take care of yourself. Just feed yourself, feed your emotions. Look out for things that you can do to actually feel good, feel happy, recover. You just need to recover. You can take some supplements, you can take some food, but you don't have to force it. You have to give to yourself this time. And of course, you've got to do everything possible to make sure that you take care of yourself. So prioritize self-care. Prioritizing self-care means that you have to stick with your plan. If you plan to eat by 2 a.m. or morning or evening, go ahead and do that. If you plan to take some rest, maybe for 1 week or for 3 days to rest or to relax, you have prioritized it, so you have to stick to the plan. Very important you do that because that is the only way to recovery and healing. So next is seek support from friends and from loved ones. Of course, you need help sometimes. Sometimes you just need someone to go to the market for you. You need someone to help you get this, to help you fix this and help you do that. You mustn't do that all by yourself every time. Try as much as possible to receive all the help you can. You just have to call someone. You just have to call a family. You can just call loved ones. It must be people you love and people who loves you. People who can be there for you. It's going to help you a lot to relax and take good care of yourself while you recover from emotional burnout. Work at being gentle with yourself. Don't always push yourself. Take care of you. Be gentle with you. See yourself as that tender, loving person that deserves to be loved and to be cared for. Be gentle with your body, be gentle with your mind, be gentle with how you feel, and just release the stress on your emotions. Release the stress and try to feel better. Anyhow, you're going to feel better. You can decide to hang out with people you love. You can also decide to watch movies if you're the kind that can relax with movies or see just sightseeing. You know what works better for you. So just be intentional at being gentle with yourself and giving yourself those things that makes you better and makes you feel good and wonderful. You can also seek for a professional help. You can get an emotional therapist to help you heal, to help you get better if you can afford that. And you can also talk to your doctor as well. They're going to help you a whole lot to get yourself back. So it's all about you when it has to do with discovering emotional burnout and getting back your energy. So turn the mirror to yourself, turn the focus on you. I know you work hard to, meet up with a lot of activities in life or with life, but sometimes you just have to focus on yourself and give to you. During the process of recovery, don't just force so many things on yourself. Take it easy with yourself till you bounce back properly. Understand that when you get it all right with yourself, you can be able to give the best and the proper help to anybody around you, whether your family, your children, or friends, or mom, or whoever it is, or wants to achieve the best in life. You have to first of all fix you. When you are in a proper position and healthy and strong, you will definitely give your best. So take your time to recover properly before you bounce back to work, before you bounce back to doing the normal activities you always do. Sometimes it's necessary. Yes, I'm a YouTuber, I'm a mom, I do so many things, and of course, I decide to rest when I know that my body is yearning for it. Sometimes you can just shut down the whole activities, everything you're doing, just shut it all down. Give yourself 1 week is good. Yes, nothing is gonna run away. You are not going to miss your life. You're not gonna miss the best opportunities. You still have many years to be on the earth, but of course, you can cut that short if you don't take care of you, because people, get into some terrible health issues just because they were not able to detect emotional burnout early, and it gets them to the point of sickness, it gets them to the point of delicate problems, and that is not necessary. So you have to make sure that you give yourself time to rest. Take your time to rest, take your time, take enough water, take enough food, take enough activities that make you feel good and release stress and everything that's chalked up, that is chalked up inside of you. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, and share to every person that you believe this video is going to be